Hi guys, today we are going to be making some slime. So, let's get on with the video. You're going to need Elmer's Glue Contact Size Solution and shaving cream. That's optional, unless if you don't want regular slime. You can also make clear glue. All you need is clear glue, contact size solution, and baking soda. The point about baking soda is the forming. It forms with the baking soda. Doesn't really matter if you have contact size solution, but you can use that also. So, hope you guys liked today's video. And this is what my slime turned out to be like.